so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
And I think very interesting tong question niya. From Hasmin, amazing morning po, 20 years na po yung barley. Kayong barley user, bakit parang yung Santee barley yung nauunang lumalabas sa Pilipinas at lagi na lang tanong anong pagkakaiba natin sa kanila at nagpapakilala ng difference sa price sa atin?
Medyo controversial, gano'n. Okay, ang truth niyan is ganito. Okay, sasabihin ko na once and for all. Nung nag-umpisa ang Santee barley, ako ang approach nila with regard to their supplies for barley. Wala pang IAM noon, wala pa nung previous company rin na sinuplayan natin, which was under also sila AM and ANA, no, and ICA. During that time, they approached me because they found out that I basically am the cancer survivor. Ako yung nagdala ng barley sa Pilipinas. So, nagkaroon kami ng understanding na ako yung magsusupply sa kanila. And for the first 2 years of Santee, ako yung nagsusupply ng barley nila. So that is actually very true. Now, after 2 years, they decided to try to go directly to the supplier. Okay? Now, when they went directly to the supplier, hindi nila ma-penetrate ang supplier ko sa Australia because I have an exclusive contract. In short, they tried to overstep me. Okay? Bad ethics yun. Actually, unethical yung ginawa nila. Pero sinubukan nilang gawin. Okay? In short, ayaw nilang dumaan na sa akin. Gusto nila diretso na. Na-block sila kasi nga meron akong distributors agreement with the owners in Australia. So that is why I stopped supplying them and they went directly to New Zealand. Okay? So now you know the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help me God. Pero, ang nakakatawa dyan is up to today, their distributors still use me in their videos and in trying to sell their products. Many times, I've asked the owners to control their network members, but it seems they cannot control them. Ngayon, ang sa akin naman, bahala na si Lord sa kanila. Dahil alam naman natin lahat na dito lang ako sa IAM lumalabas at nagwi-witness and testimony ko. So, we all know the truth, including the owners of Santee, what happened, which is why I no longer supply them. I don't want to look for any drama, but that is the honest to goodness truth. So let's leave it at that. Okay? Besides, we don't need to try to compete with anyone. I think sincerely there's enough room in the market for everybody. And bahala na ang kanya-kanyang member kung saang kumpanya ang mas happy sila, kung saan sila mas nag-grow as people. Dito kasi sa IAM ang feeling ko, hindi lang naman pera-pera ang habulan dito sa company natin. Kung hindi, integrity and also growth in spirituality. So, I think that's all I have to say about that, Stephen.